Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
वेळसावच्या सरपंचाचो रेल्वे डबल ट्रॅकिंगा वेल्यान आलिनाचेर रोख.
आमगे MLA हाची पावर आहा एक्चुअली तेन हे डबल ट्रॅकिंग आपणांगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी नाक म्हण तेन पयलीं बंद करूंक जाय.
आमकां मनोहर पर्रीकरान कॅटेगरली स्टेटमेंट दिल्लो आनी एश्युरन्स दिल्लो कांसावलीच्या लोकांक की हे डबल रेल्वे लायन येवचें ना म्हणून.
कोरोनाच्या बोवाळांत लोकांक काळखात दवरून खंय सगळें चल्लां.
The MLA is not told us anything. Only she called me when the day when we had gone to CM's office. After that, no sign of what has happened.
We were very close with MLA, but suddenly I don't know what happened. We were kept aside, and they are celebrating. I mean, they are inaugurating some project without our knowledge even.
ह्या इश्यूचेर मुख्यमंत्र्यान थंय सावथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वेची थळाव्या फुडाऱ्या बरोबर बसका आपयल्या. कोणाक त्रास जाता तांणी फुडें सरचे. सगळे आमदाराचेरूच कित्याक.
If you're concerned and you are focused, nothing can stop you from doing what you believe is right. So let's not find excuses. He has not even said anything about the issue. He has only said that the government does not listen to me. I would like to inform both these sarpanchas that the Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has called for a meeting along with the representative of the South Western Railway and some village representatives wherein this issue will be discussed threadbare.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.